Hello everyone. In today's knowledge sharing session, we'll be discussing about Indian classical music. Indian classical music is divided into two parts: Hindustani classical music and Carnatic classical music. So, in today's session, we'll be discussing about the story of origin of these two classical music and the similarities and the difference between these two classical music. So, coming to the history of these two classical music, Carnatic classical music is also called South Indian classical music, whereas Hindustani classical music is also called North Indian classical music. Both are originated from the Veda called Samaveda, which is one of the four major Vedas. So, in ancient time, there is only one system of Shastriya Sangeeta across the continent. But bifurcation happened when Islamic invaders came to the northern part of the India. They used to call the northern part of India as Hindustan, and that's how the name was coined for Hindustani classical music. Hindustani classical music have the influence of Persian and Arabic techniques, whereas Carnatic music is developed in the traditional lines and it is nourished and flourished in the Carnatic bed of South India. In Sanskrit, Carnatic means Karn Dhan Atik. Karn matlab, Karn means ears. Atika means ornament. Ornament of the ear. That's how Carnatic name was coined. Carnatic classical music. Now coming to the difference between these two classical music. There is a difference the instrument they use while giving the program and the kacheri. The accompanist may have harmonium and tabla in Hindustani classical music, whereas the accompanist may have violin and mridangam in Carnatic classical music. And the language they use is different in both of the music. In Hindustani music, they use mostly Hindi language. In Carnatic, there might be Telugu, Tamil or Kannada. The presentation of the particular tune differs in both of the music. Like, I'll just sing one pallavi, one sthai of the song of Hindustani music in Yaman Rag. Nere ga ma ga re, nere sa, pa ma ga re sa. Eli ali piya bina saghi eli ali. And whereas in Carnatic the Pallavi goes like this, and the Yaman in Hindustani music is called as Kalyani in Carnatic music. So here it goes. Vasudevayani vetale naidavari puni ganadre Shri Vasudevayani vetale naidavari puni ganadre. So, coming to the similarities of these two classical music, the structure and the concept. The raga is the backbone, and the structure and the concept, as the Carnatic follow the Manodharma Sangeeta. Also, the improvisation happens in Hindustani as well. And whereas coming to the one more similarity of these two classical music won't encourage the orchestra. The trend of orchestra, which is trending in Bollywood songs, which is trending in Western music, it won't be encouraged by these two classical music. So this is all about Indian classical music. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much.